SoCalGas's mission is safe, reliable, and affordable energy delivery today, ready for tomorrow. For decades, interns have been instrumental to realizing our mission. Undergraduate and graduate students join us for summer and year-round paid internship opportunities in engineering, IT, accounting, finance, law, human resources, and operations. Some of these rising professionals become full-time employees with SoCalGas after completing their internship. In fact, some of our current vice presidents and directors began their careers in our internship program.
I was working in the aviation industry and getting my MBA when I joined SoCalGas as an intern. Interning in the customer programs and assistance department led to me participating in the management accounting rotational program. I'm now in my second year, and I'm so glad I made the transition into energy. There are more opportunities at SoCalGas, and the company is a lot bigger than most people think. It's an exciting time in energy, making SoCalGas a great place to be.
I intern in distribution engineering, and contrary to some internships at other companies, I was able to do a lot of hands-on work. I work alongside my full-time engineer colleagues on projects and was held to the same standards. We collaborated and supported each other to make sure we always led with safety and accuracy when technology was implemented in the field. My intern experience at SoCalGas made it an easy choice to stay here as a full-time engineer. It is exciting to be part of a company making innovative strides for California's cleaner energy future.
I began my career at SoCalGas as an intern in 1997 when I was an engineering student. I knew from my internship experience that I wanted to join the company full-time because I love the company and I love the people. There's a lot of longevity at the company and also so many opportunities to work in many different areas. I've held several different roles within the company, including a stint at our sister company, San Diego Gas and Electric. Now I'm the VP of Construction, and to this day, I use the skills I learned as an intern. My advice for interns is to find a company with a culture and values they align with, and to be part of something bigger than themselves. SoCalGas definitely checks those boxes for many people, and I welcome you to be part of the energy transition.